Welcome to our second yoga story. We're going to be reading Rachel's Day in the Garden. I hope you'll join us in practicing our yoga poses.
Good morning, world, Rachel said as she basked in the rays of the yellow sun. Let's go play in the garden, Sammy. Rachel scooped up her puppy and gave him a hug. The sky was a gorgeous blue. Rachel and Sammy skipped around the backyard. After a while, a light rain began to fall. The pair huddled under the green leaves of a tall tree. Rachel felt the rain gently sprinkling her face. She took a deep breath and smelled the wet earth. Sammy looked up and tilted his head to listen. Rachel looked up too. A red bird was settling into its nest. Then the misty rain stopped. Rachel remembered that she had pumpkin seeds to plant in the garden. She spaced the seeds 2 inches apart in the brown, wet soil. I love getting my hands dirty. Look, Sammy, an orange caterpillar. Sometimes caterpillars are naughty and eat leaves. But they are still beautiful, Rachel said. Sammy barked happily. Colorful, sweet-smelling flowers like tulips attract to yellow bees, Rachel said. Bees help our vegetable garden grow. Sammy wagged his tail. Sammy jumped up and down, trying to catch a fluttering purple butterfly. Butterflies love pink flowers, Rachel said to Sammy. That's why we plant zinnias. Rachel and Sammy lay down on the grass, listening to the birds chirp. Just then, Rachel saw an amazing sight. Look, Sammy, it's a rainbow. I just love the rain.
Thank you so much for joining us for our second yoga story. Come again next time.
Namaste.
Namaste.